Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got another morning of POV photography for you. Bit of street, city and urban all rolled into one morning. Every single image taken throughout this video was shot with the Sony 50mm 1.8 and the camera I'm using is the trusty A7IV. I'll be doing a few little voiceover segments throughout the video where I have something noteworthy to say. Let me know which was your favourite shot in the comments, and with that, enjoy the footage. You'll probably notice me shooting through windows quite a lot in this video. There's a few reasons for that. If you're relatively new to street photography or you're not all that comfortable sticking the camera in people's faces yet, which is definitely the case for me, shooting through windows gives you the opportunity to capture an interesting person or something fun going on in the reflection. Here you'll notice I'm composing straight through the window, but you can see what's happening to the left of me in the reflection. So when the guy enters the frame right about now, I capture both at the same time and you can see the interior of the cafe, bar, whatever this may be, and the guy in the reflection, which turns out pretty cool. I'm really happy with this shot. Don't know why I'm stood here taking a photo of a pigeon, but I am. It is what it is. I've been asked quite a few times in the past why I take a lot of photos of people from the back and you can't always see their faces. That's partly because I genuinely like that type of image. I know it may not be to everybody's taste, but I like the mysterious element while not intruding too much on people's privacy for every single photo that I take in a day. In the right place at the right time, I feel it can still result in a really thought-provoking photo. But it's also partly because of what I spoke about previously in terms of photographing people's faces. In the UK, it's very unlikely you're going to be able to go around taking photos of people in the street all day and not end up with some pretty aggressive interactions, unfortunately. So I tend to pick and choose a balance between capturing people from the front and the back to reduce these types of interactions, as they can put a downer on your photo session real quick. But if you want to take photos of people in the streets but you feel uncomfortable or aren't confident enough yet, taking photos of the people from the back can also be a good way to get the ball rolling and build up that confidence while you're out with your camera. I often find I'll start my photo sessions by just warming up with a few photos of people from the back or maybe from far away, and then when I feel the time is right and a good opportunity arises, I'll start taking photos of people's faces and get those more emotive shots.